Good morning, crafty travelers. We are leaving Clam Beach and headed to the border. This may be the last video of this trip, unless something really exciting happens after today. Terry and I will be spending the night at the same campground we did in the beginning, and then headed on 5 to home, probably spend the night along the grapevine somewhere. Thanks for watching. Stay crafty.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm, no. So I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone, oh.
We're leaving Clam Beach again, headed for the border.
I don't hear anything, people.
They're not saying anything yet.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're made it to the border, but we have not crossed over yet. Long line, vendors coming down the road with food and trinkets. Hopefully we'll get through in a couple of hours. We'll see. Stay tuned for more.
Can take more. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've tried it all, nothing breaks the fall.
Being serenaded while going through the border. Some more musicians are on the street.
Blankets.
Last place to get goodies.
Oh, I think you're selling watermelons up there.
Oh
Wait a
no,
minute.
don't be taking those. You'd be giving them right back. This guy's cutting up coconuts. They're selling coconut drink because you can't take a coconut over the border.
Slowly fall into your arms. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've known myself and hid the scars. Now I'm reaching to stay in your arms. I don't know if it's night or day. All I want is to be carried away. Is there anyone out there?
Now you call them speed bumps.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But these aren't round, these are square.
Yeah.
I've tried it all, nothing breaks the fall. Slowly fall into your arms. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've known myself and hid the scars. Now I'm reaching to stay in your arms.
We made it over the border. We're going over the speed bumps. We used to call them topes. Now we call them speed bumps. We're back in the States. There's our wagon masters. Thank you, John and Carol, for a wonderful trip. We returned to Potrero Campground for the last night, and it was totally empty. We were the only ones there. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to see the entire trip, our Baja Adventure 2023, look up the playlist. I'll put it right up here. You get to see us party on the beach, pet the whales, go to museums, and travel in Baja. Alrighty. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.